Welcome students. I am Manish Singh. This is the third video of first chapter, that is the integer. So students, before I start today's video, I request you all to take your pen and note copy so you may also note down important point. In today's videos, first heading is a operation of integer. In the operation of integer, we have a four types of operation. First is addition, second is a subtraction, and third is a multiplication, and last is a division. So first is a addition. So how we can add our two integers? So we can add the two integers by the two rule, and first is a like sign and second is a unlike sign. Like sign means same sign, unlike sign means opposite or different sign. So in addition, we have a four cases. In first case, when the integers are given in a same sign means like sign. So how we can add? So we can only add the numbers. How, what is the number here? 13 and 5. So 13 and 5 plus 18, and put the same sign in the answer. What is the same sign? Here is a plus. So we can write the plus 18, or you can also write the without plus. In second case, so first number is a positive and second number is the negative. So how we can solve or how we can add these types question? So firstly match the sign. In the first is a plus, second is a minus. So both are different sign. So both are unlike sign. So unlike sign means difference. Find the difference of the given number. So find the difference of the given number. 13 minus 5, 8. And then in last we put the greater number sign in the answer. So then we match the number. Which number is the greater here? 13 is greater number, and 13 here is the plus sign. But look here, there is no any plus. We know, but we know that if any number is written anywhere without sign, meaning is that number written with plus sign, or that number with the plus sign. So here is a 13 or plus 13 you can say. So we can write the plus 8 or without plus. Now in third case, look here, minus 13 plus 5. First number is given a negative and second number is given a positive. Same, these were a different sign. Different sign means subtract the numbers. So first I subtract the number and then we get the 8. And when the numbers are in different sign, they always use greater number sign in an answer. Which one is greater than here is 13. 13 is a greater. So 13 with the minus sign, then we use minus in the answer. Now last case, in the last case numbers have a negative sign. We know that, but both are in the same sign because both are negative. When we know that same sign means addition, so we add the numbers, and when we add the number then we get the 18. And we know that put the same sign in answer. And what is the sign here? Are minus, both with the minus sign, then we use the minus in a answer, and their answer will be minus 18. Now second is a subtraction. In subtraction, in the integer we have a one type subtraction. So this one, first integer from second, means subtract the first integer from the second integer. So how we can solve this type questions? We can solve this type question by one method. We have a one method, second minus first, means second integer subtract the first integer. So firstly we'll decide it which one is the second integer. Examples here is a, in this first example 9 is the first integer and minus 13 is the second integer. So therefore minus second minus first, so it's minus 13 minus 9. And look, then we match the sign, both are same sign, and we know that same sign means addition. So we add the number, then we add the number, then we get 22, and we put the same sign in the answer, then answer will be minus 22. In second example, minus 15 and 9. which one is the, here is the first integer, minus 15 is the first integer and 9 is the second integer. So we know that second minus first, because question is saying, our heading is saying subtract the first integer from the second integer. So second minus first, so which one is second? 9 is the second. Then minus, subtract means minus. For the subtraction we use the minus sign, and then minus 15 write in a bracket. When we open the bracket, we know that bracket means multiplication. So minus minus plus, 9 plus 15, and that is a 24. Now third is a operation multiplication, multiplication of two integer. Same rule, like sign or unlike sign. Like sign means when the multiplication numbers given in a like sign, then answer will be positive, and then multiplication number given in a opposite sign, then answer will be negative. Look here, in the multiplication also we have a four cases. First case is a when the numbers given in same sign, means 7 multiplied by 5, then simply we can multiply 7 5s are 35. But in the second case, number first is given in a minus, so minus 7 multiplied by 5, we know that we can write this type, minus write without out of bracket, and in bracket we write the numbers 7 multiplied by 5, then 7 5s are 35. Or you can also solve minus 7 multiplied by 5, then firstly multiply by sign. Here is no any sign, no means sign means the number, that number with the plus sign. So plus 5 here is a plus minus, minus 7 5s are 35, then answer will be 35. In third case is a second number is the minus here is, so 7 multiplied by minus 5, so 7 5s are 35 minus 35. These are both second and third. Here which rule apply in the this number case? Unlike sign, unlike sign here apply. Unlike means if this both are different sign, so answer will be in a negative form. Here is a both are different, here is a minus, here is a 5, so minus 35, 7 is a minus 5, so minus 35. Now last is a same sign means answer in a positive. So minus 7 multiplied by minus 5, so minus minus plus, 7 5 is 35, then answer will be plus 35. And you can also solve like this, minus 7 multiplied by minus 5, minus minus plus, 7 5s are 35, then answer will be 35. And now exercise 1b, the first question, like as a minus 17 multiplied by 0, and we know that any number when we multiply by 0, then answer always will be 0. So it's minus 70 multiplied by 0, then answer will be 0. Here is a minus 24 multiplied by minus 5. We know that firstly multiply sign to sign, that is a minus minus plus, 24 5s are 120, so plus 120. Now in third question 500 multiplied by minus 19, 500 multiplied by minus 19. So firstly we multiply by 19 and 500, then we get what? 90 500. Then we use the minus sign, because we know that this is a minus and this is the plus, different sign, then answer always in a negative. Now then second question, simplify. Look, here's the one simplification, minus 4 multiply by minus 2 multiply by 1. So first we multiply, or first we solve the first two number minus 4 and minus 2. When we multiply by minus 4 and minus 2, then we get plus 8y. Firstly we multiply by minus 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 plus, and 4 2s are 8, then plus 8 multiplied by 1, then 8 1s are 8, answer will be plus 8. In a second example, look here, 1 upon 12 multiplied by minus 9 multiplied by 4 minus 1. Look here, here's the one numbers given in fraction form, and in earlier classes we also solved this type question or this type simplification. In this type simplification, first we divide numerator to denominator. Which one is the denominator? Here is a 12 and 9 is a numerator. So 9 and 12 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Now we get In a third line, 1 upon 4 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by minus 1. In this line, 4 and 4 are cancelled. Then what is the left here? Minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Then multiply by minus minus plus, and then 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3, and in last answer will be plus 3. Now last operation is a division of integer. A division of integer also followed by the two rule, like sign and unlike sign. Like sign means same sign. When the integers are given in same sign, then answer always will be in a positive form. When the integers are given in a unlike sign, then answer always will be in a negative form. In the division we have also four rule. First rule is a when the numbers given in a same sign are positive form, then answer always will be in a positive form. Look here, 24 divided by 4. So firstly we write in a fraction form 24 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4, 6 are, and that is a 6, and you can also write the first 6. Now second case, 24 divided by minus 4. So minus, here is a given minus 4, and then firstly we write the same in a fraction form 24 upon minus 4, and answer 4 ones are 4 and 4 6 are 24, but here will we use minus because both are given a difference sign. In the third case, here is a minus 24 divided by minus 4, both in a given same sign, then answer always in a positive form. So 24 upon 4 minus minus plus, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. In the last case is given is a minus 24 divided by 4 is equal to 20 minus 24 upon 4, 4 ones are and 4 6 are. But why minus 6? Because there are a opposite sign. Opposite sign means unlike sign. Then when we have numbers given in unlike sign, then answer always will in a negative form. Now we take the some questions of exercise first C. In the first question, look here, 8 divided by minus 4. So 8 upon minus 4, 4 ones are 4 twos are, we use the minus sign because here with the difference sign. Now in second question, minus 57 divide by minus 19, minus 19 minus 57 upon minus 19, 19 ones are and 19 threes are. This is a 3. Why we use the here plus sign? Because both are given in a negative sign. Same sign means answer always will be in positive sign. Now third is a 17 divided by minus 6 plus 5. So firstly we open the bracket by the multiplication. 17 divided by minus 6 plus 5, both are different sign, means difference of the number. The difference of the number will be minus 1, then 17 upon minus 1, and that is a minus 17. So okay students, so this was all about today. Now I have some questions for you, and it is your homework, and homework is attached in a description box. So I hope you will do it successfully. Thank you.